Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 28. Now December is rolling out of here, right guys? Well, before we get started in this video, let me just say, to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. It's a special day today. We are starting our shower steamer series where we will be making multiple different scents in shower steamers as well to go along with my skincare treats, okay? So come on, let's get into this video. But before we get into the video, I must say today is shout out Mondays. Shout out Mondays. And today's shout out goes to my loyal subscriber, Bri Nicole. Let's give Bri Nicole a round of applause. Yay! Thank you so much, Bri, for being a loyal subscriber. I truly appreciate you. And welcome to the family. Come on, let's get into this video. Hands line. Okay, and the featured soap of today is called Free Spirit. Free Spirit. I consider myself as a free spirit, and I actually made this soap bar dedicated to myself as well, along with Glennceria. So in Free Spirit, we have organic coconut milk. We have essential oil. We have geranium, ponderosa, peppermint, lavender, rosemary, ginger grass, clary sage, and ylang-ylang essential oil. And it's called Free Spirit. And the ingredients are organic coconut oil, distilled water, organic shea butter, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, organic mango butter, organic aloe vera juice, coconut milk, soybean oil, organic cocoa butter, and vitamin E oil. And it's called Free Spirit. Okay, so that's our soap of today. All right, so you know what we're making. We are making shower steamers. And this is how I make my shower steamers. And we are making with the menthol crystals. So they help you to breathe when you're not feeling well, okay? So let's go. So we're gonna take, let's put it in the sifter because we have to sift it. One thing I want to tell you that I forgot to tell you yesterday's video, you cannot use this as a bath bomb. This is not a bath bomb, guys. You cannot use this in the tub as a bath bomb. It has too many essential oils in it to be used as a bath bomb, okay? This can only be used in the shower as a shower steamer. Remember, I told you yesterday that you place this behind you when you're taking a shower. And let the water slowly hit it. So you can inhale it and get the benefits from the scent, all right? This is our citric acid. So we have 2 cups. We have 2 cups in our sifter. And I only need 1 cup of citric acid. There we go. Put that all in there. And all you're going to do is sift that. See that? And see how you got the rocks, all the clumps? And all you want to do is just smash them in so they can go through. Wow. Let's take our citric acid, put it over to the side. All right, so we have 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of citric acid. We're going to add just a touch of mica because we don't need much. Just a touch. And I didn't bring my little popsicle stick like I usually do, so I'm going to go in with this little and just grab me some. Just a touch, that's all. I'm gonna show you how much I put in, which is not much at all. Look at that. You see that? I have 4 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons of water, okay? And what I'm going to add is, what am I going to add? Let me look at because I don't want to tell you wrong. 1 tablespoon of menthol crystals. So you see, we have the menthol crystals. I need 1 tablespoon. Okay, so I just put 2 pieces in that. We have 4 tablespoons of hot water. It has to be hot because you have to melt your menthol. It has to be hot enough to melt this menthol. So we're gonna give that a couple of stirs. Let's move this over to the side. The quote of today is, I hear you. The quote of today is, I hear you. Oh, that smells so good. I can smell it, guys. Alrighty. I also have to get my something to stir our mixture in, so I'll be right back. Alright, so we have our baking soda, citric acid in here. We have our 4 tablespoons of warm water, along with 1 tablespoon of menthol crystals, and it is fully dissolved. We have 1 little piece in there that we're trying to get dissolved, and it smells, oh yeah, that's gonna open you up, guys. That smells really nice. Yep. And then we're going to pour this in slowly, and then we're going to create our molds. Simple as that. Okay, so it's fully dissolved. Remember, these are not bath bombs. You're gonna add this in very slow. See, it fizzes up. I'm trying to get it to a consistency where we can put it in, able to scrunch up in my hands, like so. I think that's it. Maybe a little more. And I like the color. Get the rest of that off of there. Okay. Once it can do like that in your hand and without breaking apart, you know you have it perfect. There you go. All right, so take your half, place it in your half. Make sure you pack it down real good. So all you're going to do, it smells so good, guys. You can smell the menthol. This is definitely gonna help you when you're not feeling well, okay? Now we're gonna leave that in there. Go on to the next one and fill up the next one. '21 is coming, guys. Did y'all see my vision board? Go check out my vision board video, part 1 and 2. For my goals for 2021. See that? They're puffing up. See how it's puffing up out of it? That's okay. That means that you put a little bit more, too much water, but that's okay. They're shower steamers. They're fine. It is okay. It reminds me of the toilet bomb cleaners that we made. See, all you do is packing it in. And then we're gonna release them. They're gonna let them sit overnight for 24 hours. And then we're going to come back and unmold them, okay? Just pack it in. So let's see how many we can get. The ingredients was as such. You have 2 cups of baking soda. You have 1 cup of citric acid. You have 4 tablespoons of water, which is probably too much. Let's take it down to 3 maybe. And what else did we did? And 1 tablespoon of menthol crystals, okay? 1 tablespoon of menthol crystals. See, all I'm doing is just packing it in. There's nothing to it, just to do it. Just pack it in there. And these are called shower steamers. We're gonna do a whole series of shower steamers. All different type of scents to go along with the soaps that I have. Okay? The soaps, the body butters. See, I just compact that down. Make sure they're nice and even. All right. You want your work to look good, right? Absolutely. You can sit back and enjoy it while you take your showers. So of course this one will help you to open you up. We're going to do Awakening, which is like something with sweet orange oil, something that's going to wake you up, maybe lemongrass. We'll do Mother Earth, which is eucalyptus and rosemary. See that? Now there's nothing much, so I'm going back into my mold and putting these in. We don't want to waste any of this goodness. Shout out Monday goes to, again, Bri Nicole for being a loyal subscriber. December's still here, guys. You still have time to get into my free giveaways. All you have to do is put a comment down below that you are a loyal subscriber to Glennceria Loving Hands. All subscribers. Or go to my Instagram, Glennceria Loving, as well. All right. We are done. And we made 6 of them, guys. So that recipe makes 6. Okay? All right. I'm going to show them to you. We push the stuff out the way, wash my hands, and I come right back. All right. So here we go. We have 6 of them. That recipe makes 6, and I'm telling you, they smell amazing. So, let me bring you up. I am going to leave them. I will leave them in this mold here, all right, guys? I'm not going to touch them. I'm going to leave them in here until tomorrow, and then we'll unmold them, all right? They smell so good. You can, I know you can't smell it. I'm sorry, but it actually, you can smell the menthol. It smells really good. This is the first time I made these. All right, so I think I'm going to name them Feel Better. We'll figure it out. Either Just Breathe or Feel Better. Leave a comment down below. Love you guys. Mwah. From Glennceria Loving Hands. I see you in the next video. Have a great Monday, okay? We have lots of shower steamers to make. Bye for now.